High protein meals helps me with satiety and muscle building, so today we're going to be making charcoal ramen. The protein noodles are from a company called If Foods. Check the description below for the ingredients list. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to my channel as I bring to you high protein meals and snacks every week and videos on how I lost 90 pounds and kept it off over the years. Now let's boil some water. We need 16 ounces. Next, we're going to pour in some bone broth from Lono Life. This provides an extra 10 grams of protein to the broth at only 50 calories. Now let's add some Yamasa tonkatsu broth to the pot. Tonkatsu is a pork-based ramen broth. Next, we're going to add some miso to the broth. Miso is fermented soybean paste, but I definitely added more than 2 tablespoons here. So keep that in mind. 2 tablespoons is a recommendation. Now, I love what garlic powder adds to a soup broth, so let's add some and let's bring the broth to a simmer on low heat while stirring occasionally. Next, we're going to boil a couple of eggs for about 7 to 9 minutes and then place them in a container with water and ice and then peel. So If Foods charcoal noodles provide 17 grams of protein per serving with other benefits. The noodles are only 280 calories and 36 grams of carbs. Now, this product does come with its own seasonings, but the recipe I'm providing gives you a little bit more protein. And here's the reveal. Look at how black those noodles are. Just as black as my Nike fleece. So we're gonna drop that in the pot. And after 2 to 3 minutes, let's pour it out into a bowl. Now we're gonna cut the 2 eggs we have in half and then add that to the bowl. Now we're gonna add green onions and mung bean sprouts to the bowl. And why did I add mung bean sprouts? Because I love them and they're good for the belly. And they taste good in soup. Try it out. Now let's take a closer look at how black those noodles are. Black and beautiful, look at that. Now, I don't know what charcoal tastes like, but this doesn't taste exactly like charcoal, so I can guess, right? But they don't have a real taste, but they tasted pretty good though. I dropped the ingredients into my MyFitnessPal to get the breakdown of nutrients. Let me know if you'll try a recipe like this out in the comments below. Peace.